Pick up your markers, let's start the fun. Crafty Kids Chronicles has just begun. Cut, glue, and craft with flair. Join us today, we'll take you there. So come along, it's time to create. With Crafty Kids, it's going to be great. Hey guys, today we are making these cool Halloween lanterns made from milk jugs. Stick around to find out exactly how to do this. For this project, you're going to need a gallon jug. I took my label off using some hot water, and I marked on the very bottom of the jug, I would say about 2 inches from the bottom, and I cut there. So you're going to need 2 parts for the lantern, majority of the lantern being at the top and then just a bit at the bottom to be able to hold your flashlight. I made a couple different lanterns. This one was my ghost face lantern. So I used an oval stencil that I had and traced out the eyes and mouth. After I cut out my stencils, I used tape to put the paper and attach it to the milk jug. I would say double-sided tape would probably work best, but I just used regular tape and made sure to use 2 pieces. That way the paper would adhere to the milk jug. This is what the lantern looked like before I put on the flashlight, and once it's in, you do just have to press down a bit to make sure that the top part of the lantern is going into the bottom part of that jug, but it should stay, and if you want extra security on it, you can always add tape around the perimeter. And this is the finished product of our ghost face lantern. The next lantern that I made was a jack-o'-lantern, so I just drew a face and then cut it out to attach to the jug. Once I taped the face to the jug, I then put my flashlight in the bottom part of the lantern and pressed the top part of the jug into the bottom to secure the lantern. And here is what the finished jack-o'-lantern looks like. The last lantern I made, I thought it'd be cool just to have a lot of stars on there to resemble the night sky. So I used another stencil that I had to create stars on the paper and then cut it out to attach to the jug. If you follow the link in my description, I have free printables that you can use. I have stars and jack-o'-lantern face and also a ghost face, and you can use these if you'd like or create your own when making your lanterns. After I cut out the stars, I taped them up and just put them in random places inside the jug. I really like how easy it is to customize each lantern to make your own with only a few simple materials that you have laying around the house. And here's the finished star lantern. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed.